Can you able to hear? Muted, not muted, unmuted. Can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
So again, boot processing. In boot processing, we discuss the steps like either in the 5 steps or 4 steps. You can able to tell it. Okay. The first one is the post power on self-test process. Okay. So as I said, so when you power on your system, test them, test itself to make sure all components are working or not. If post is successful, then it will go for the next step of boot processing. It go for second step. Okay. How you understand the post is successful? How can you understand a post is successful? You may hear a single beep sound or no beep sound. Why no beep sound? Why beep sound is? We'll see here it is. Motherboard speaker. If you see, this is a on motherboard, these speakers are installed. On the motherboard, these speakers are installed here. Front panel. At the front panel only, near to the front panel, the speaker points are installed like this. This is the earlier we have a speaker kind of stuff is there. Now it is little buzzer kind of stuff is there like this. Okay, now it is there. Like this. When I have seen for the very first time a computer, when I open it and see this is a speaker, and I got a doubt that is why I'm unable to hear any voice. So then later I learn this hardware and all. So then we understand this is speakers only to tell status of your post. Like this, it is installed on your motherboard. Why no beep sound? If speaker is not installed, you may not hear any beep sounds. Okay, if speaker is there, beep sounds are there. So you may hear a single beep sound. On keyboard, on keyboard, there is a LED status is there. If you see this keyboard, 3 LEDs are there now. It blink once. These LEDs on keyboard blink once. Okay, and power LED and hard disk LED on your system both will blink. It represent your post is successful. And plus, whether you can hear, you may hear the beep sound now or a keyboard LED kind of stuff because it is required a little sharpness. Something on the screen, something on the screen. Maybe it is can be a BIOS logo or PC logo, voice loading or some errors. Something on screen it will show. At least no signal. Okay. It's not a blank screen. It is something on the screen. It is showing. Even on the screen, it's showing some error also. Post is successful. Okay. Post is successful. So that's the first point. Post failure. How you understand the post is failure? No beep sounds. Maybe because of speaker is not installed. Multiple beep sounds. Continuous, long, or short beep sounds represent there is an issue with your primary components, maybe CPU related, memory related, or VGA related kind of stuff. Okay, depends upon the manufacturer of your motherboard and BIOS. So these beep sounds are there. Okay, so multiple beep sounds means continuous beep sounds, long, short beep sounds you can hear, not single beep sound. Okay. No display on the screen, nothing on the monitor. It's like a blank screen or a black screen kind of stuff. No hard disk LED. Power LED is blink, but hard disk LED is not blinking. So when you power on your system, if you observe, the keyboard LEDs won't blink. Okay, keyboard is connected properly, but keyboard LEDs has to be blink once for telling successful post. Post is failure, keyboard LED won't blink. So this understanding post is failure. How you understand post is failure? So continuous or longer short beep sounds, okay, or no beep sounds, nothing on the screen, okay, not even a no signal, no errors on the screen, it's a completely blank screen, and power LED is blinking, hard disk LED is not blinking, keyboard LED is not, it has to be blink once, it's not blinking, okay. This understand post is failure. So what is the post? Power on self-test to make sure that your primary components are working on that system, testing that one, right? But which component is actually failure? To know it, so we have to use these postcards. So normally, home users like us, okay, we don't use that kind of stuff. People do the desktop support related people, machine hardware related troubleshooting people use these things. For us, just to know it, we don't use it. Okay, these are called postcards. These postcards are inserted into your motherboard. These postcards will insert it into your motherboard. So then, okay, these postcards are inserted in your motherboard based on these LED indications, okay, or numbers displaying on it. So you have to refer the manual. So then we can understand what is exactly an issue. Okay. So these are the postcards are available now in online also. It is not actually meant for you, but just that it is inserted into your motherboard. It's showing some indication, some LED status and some numbers on it. So you have to refer the manual related to it and then find out so what exactly happened, which component of your motherboard are installed on a motherboard got a problem. Is it CPU related, RAM related, or maybe some motherboard chipsets related? We can understand from this LED status. Okay. So that is postcard. If your motherboard having an issue also, post failure is occur. Power distribution to the motherboard is also causes post issue is occur. Okay, any of the main component fail are not connected, improper connection or incompatibility is there, also causing this. RAM loose connections, RAM dust, RAM failures are not properly connected is the most possible cause. CPU and motherboard chipsets, power distributions may causing this post failures. Okay, this is post failure. So guys, in the steps, you can see it is a post error. It means the main power supply is okay. SMPS is also working okay. Only thing is on motherboard, your CPU, RAM, or on motherboard components fall. Okay. So this is you don't need to check it. So you have to go through this kind of stuff. Check the CPU, check the RAM, check the motherboard chipsets, and power distributions. Understand where exactly issues occur with help of postcards. And this is an LED status. If you see, this is the latest motherboard LED status as also given on motherboard LED BIOS LED. Okay, so these LED indications also given recently for easy to understand, quick understanding of the issue. See here it is the DRAM related LED is blinking. It means it is RAM related issue. It is RAM related issues. I think this is CPU LED is blinking. Okay, that to make, yeah, CPU LED is blinking here. This is RAM related LED is blinking. This is no LED blinking. It's all LEDs are blinking. Means only power is connected, nothing is connected. Okay. Here it is. See, this is CPU. DRAM means it is CPU LED is blinking. Okay. So this indicates where is the exact issue it is. So based on that, also we can able to troubleshoot. Okay. In generally, most of the causes is the RAM related. So what you do, disconnect all the power connection, clean the RAM, remove and reinsert the RAM. If it is RAM is loose connected, remove the RAM, reinserted it, change the RAM slots, okay, and clean the RAM edges with eraser, clean the RAM slots and connect it properly again and connect the power and verify it and cross verify it. In case it's not still not working, remove the RAM and reinsert another RAM, put another RAM, or maybe put this RAM into another system. It's a cross verification to make sure that your RAM is working or not. If RAM is working, so maybe it is different parts of different power. RAM is not working, it is RAM related issue. So you have to go with a new RAM. You have to replace the RAM with any other RAM, so then your system is working. Just understand post success, post failure indication, and how if it is a RAM issue, then how you can able to deal it. Okay. Guys, understand if it is post error, post failure, how it is indicate. How we understand it is post related issue. It's post failure and again everybody is silent.
Yes, sir. Understood.
What is the second
Yes, sir.
step of boot? Yeah, what is the second step of boot processing? To search for the bootable device, search for the boot device or bootable device based on the boot priorities, right? So on your screen, so what is the second step? Search for the bootable device, okay, and find out the bootable device based on the boot priority. Once it is found, search for the bootloader and load bootloader. Load bootloader, right? So these are the second and third step. So I power on my system. On my screen, it is showing bootable device not found. On my screen, it is showing bootable device not found. Operating system not found. No bootable device. No bootable device. All these errors indicating second one means your post is successful. On your screen, it is showing error means post is successful. So it is not belongs to CPU, not belongs to RAM or BIOS, or not belongs to any motherboard related. It is post is success because you are getting an error at least. It's not post related. So no need to check the RAM, no need to check the processor, no need to check the main power supply. So post is good, but only thing is the bootable device related issue or OS related issue. So If you are getting an error that is boot device not found, unable to find bootable disk, no operating system found, no boot device found, all these things is related to one thing that is called a, if hard disk is maybe not working or voice is corrupted. Okay, maybe it is hard disk is not working or failed or not connected or loose connection or voice in the hard disk is gone. No hard disk, no voice. Voice is corrupted. Portable files are corrupted. Portable files are corrupted. OS, portable files corrupted. Okay. So there is two things. One is either hard disk is failed or operating system related issue. Okay. Either operating system is corrupted or maybe bootable files in the disk is corrupted. That's why you are getting bootable device not found or a boot MGR missing, no bootable disk available, like that it you are getting. Okay. Or your hard disk is failed. So then if your hard disk is not working, voice is in the hard disk. Voice is actually in the hard disk and your hard disk is not working. So it is showing bootable device not found. So here it is two different points. One issue possible, you have to verify this and this one also. The first one is make sure that your hard disk is working on that. So how to do it? Go to the BIOS settings, check for hard disk is available. Hard disk is available means voice in the hard disk related issue. Hard disk is not available. So here it is. If you go to the BIOS setting, that's why BIOS settings are important first. Okay. That's why I have taken separate session for BIOS setting. Why it is? It's very important. See, it is fixed hard disk, 1 TB of hard disk is showing. Okay, like this. If hard disk is available, it is related to voice issue. Voice are a bootable files of operating system issue. Okay. If hard disk is not available, hard disk is not available, check the hard disk connections. Remove the connection, reinsert it. Sometimes the loose connectivity also causing this issue. Hard disk to motherboard, connectivity related issue. Hard disk to motherboard, connectivity issue. Check the connectivity. Cross verify the hard disk means remove the hard disk connected to another system. So then find out is hard disk is working or not. Okay. So you have to make sure that your hard disk or SSD is working or not. You have to cross verify. And it is not working, then replace the hard disk. Okay, that is the thing. So first one is go to the BIOS settings, check for hard disk. If it is available, voice related issue. If it is not available, open the power off the system, open the cabinet, check the connectivity of hard disk, connect it, disconnect and connect it. Okay, and cross verify, make sure that is your hard disk is working or not. If not working, replace the hard disk. If not working, replace the hard disk. Okay, understand that point, guys? Hard disk related one. Okay, hard disk is not working. If you have a system image backup, restore image backup into your hard disk or a new hard disk. Okay, what is a system image backup? You can, when system is running, when your system is running, normally for safekeeping purpose, go to the this backup and restore. Here you can find create a system image. Just click on the create a system image. So what is this create system image? It is a system image is a copy of the drives required for Windows to run. What is the drive is required to run the system is your C drive. Plus other drives also you can include it. It can also include additional drives, mainly your C drive plus other drives also you can include here. A system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or a computer ever stop working. However, you cannot choose individual items to restore. You cannot restore a specific file from it, but you can restore entire system. If your hard disk is stop working, you replace with a new hard disk. And if you have the system image backup, you just click on next. So then you connect a external hard disk, okay? Take system image backup and you kept in one side, or maybe you write in the some DVDs, take 4 or 5 DVDs based on your data size. Put all your data into your DVDs, image backup into DVDs. In case your system is stop working and you replace the new hard disk, and you can able to restore your entire system, operating system, applications, settings, your personal data, and the remaining data in the backup. So we can able to restore it. It's not a regular backup. It's not a data backup. Its entire system is taking as an image backup. In case of your system stop working or hard disk is failure, you can restore it from the system image backups. Okay. So if you have a system image backup, if you have system image backup, you can restore into the hard disk. Okay. Or new hard disk, whatever it is. Otherwise, you have to reinstall the operating system again. Okay. In the new hard disk. So you have to reinstall the operating system. Okay, guys, once again, hard disk is working, voice related. Hard disk is not working, so you have to add new hard disk or replace the hard disk. If you have a system image backup, restore it. Otherwise, install the OS. Okay, if hard disk is working, voice related issues, then you can go to this startup repair kind of stuff. Okay, go to the startup repair to repair from Windows. Keep loading kind of things are there. Like if you got this kind of error, okay, generally it is Windows keep loading. Okay, Windows keep loading kind of errors, or even if a bootable files are corrupted, the startup repair will do the bootable files corrupted. It will repair that one. And second one is Windows keep loading. That is also repaired by this startup error. Okay, startup repair kind of stuff. Resetting this PC may help you to restore. Otherwise, if you have a system image backup, you can restore it. Nothing works, reinstall the OS. Okay. If you got boot MGR missing or corrupted, bootable files are corrupted, so you are getting either boot MGR missing error or bootable device not found, and hard disk is working. Hard disk is working, so OS is corrupted. So in a olden days, what we do, we use the installation disk. Use installation disk and choose repair option. Repair option in so like this, when you are insert installation disk, if you insert installation disk, then you may see this repair your computer. If you go to the repair your computer, it take you to the troubleshooting model. In the troubleshooting options, go to troubleshooting options. You can choose advanced settings. You can choose advanced settings. Okay. You can choose under troubleshooting, you can choose advanced options or reset this PC. You can choose advanced options. Under advanced options, okay, choose startup repair. Choose startup repair. Otherwise, you can directly go to the reset this PC in case your OS is completely corrupted. First try startup repair. If not working, go for the reset this PC. Okay. So generally we are using now Windows 10. So go for if you have an installation disk, insert it, go to the repair options and then go to the troubleshooting and then go to advanced options and startup repair. If startup repair not working, reset this PC. That is also not working, or maybe if both are not difficult for you, if you have system image backup, restore it. Okay. And there is a repair disk option is also there. This is a repair disk. When you have a time and if you have a CD-ROM or DVDs, if you have that into your laptop or external CD drives are there to read and write the CD and DVD writers are there, external. So buy one CD, insert it, go to this control panel, backup and restore, system, repair disk, and insert the disk CD into the CD-ROM, fresh one. And this option will appear for a drive selection. Select your CD drive and click on the create disk. So what will happen? A system repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It also contains Windows system recovery tools that can help you recover Windows from a serious errors or restore your computer from system images. Okay, so when you got this kind of issues, then you want to repair it and you don't have installation disk. So you cannot go to repair options, right? So this repair disk will help to boot your system first. Then it will give some repair options and it also contains bootable files. Maybe that will repair your system. Okay. Or you want to do some system recovery related kind of stuff. Also, it will give those kind of stuff. And finally, another option is for data. You can use that is a one kind of tool. So then we can able to restore from it. Okay. Guys, here it is. In case you got a boot device not found or no bootable device, boot MGR is missing. Okay. What is boot MGR? Is a bootloader. In Windows 10, the bootloader name is boot MGR. It's a boot manager which help you to load your operating system. Okay. So if it is corrupted, also you are getting this kind of error. So first check your hard disk is available or not. Hard disk is working or not. If hard disk is working, it is operating system related. Hard disk is not working, nothing you can do it. So remove the hard disk, reinsert new hard disk. If you have a system image backup, restore it. Otherwise, start installing your OS application settings, everything you have to do it. If you have a data backup, you can restore it. Otherwise, you lost your data also. Okay. If hard disk is not working, okay. If hard disk is working, it is OS related. Okay, if you have a repair disk or installation disk, insert it, go to the repair options and go to the troubleshoot and then advanced options. You can find startup repair. Try using startup repair to repair your portable related kind of stuff. If not working, try with reset this PC. Okay, otherwise use system image backup and restore your system back. If you do not have system image backup and nothing you can do, just install a OS again. Okay, format your entire system, delete all the drives, reinstall the, so delete your OS drive and try to install the operating system in it. Okay. Okay. So at third point is already bootloader. So it is the third one is search for the bootable device, load bootloader kind of stuff. If bootloader is not working or corrupted or missing, so you got a bootable file is missing, like a boot mgr missing kind of stuff. It is again same kind of stuff. Means check the hard disk and try to do startup repair or copy the boot mgr file from your cd-rom to your system. That is also working. Okay. So these bootable bootloaders are different in a different operating systems. And finally, voice will be loaded. At loading of operating system, also you may get an issues, but that is um, again voice, maybe you will get some BSOD kind of issues, kind of stuff, because of voice is not compatible with your hardware. So that is occasionally when your voice is corrupted, or maybe you put your voice disk, means your hard disk in different system. I remove my hard disk from here and insert into another system, then I will get that issue kind of stuff. Okay. So generally, so if you got that issue, again voice related. Finally, you log into your system, and the login, after login to your system, so startup services applications will start. So it is a boot processing, but we address some issues in it. Okay. So one is the blank screen. Blank key or a black screen. Okay. No beep sound or continuous beep sounds. Long or a short beep sound. It is no beep sounds or continuous beep sounds. And no keyboard LED blink. Has to blink once. It's not blink. Not at all once. Okay. Next, power LED blink and no hard disk LED, not blank blink. Okay. Very important one is nothing on the screen. Very important is blank screen or black screen means nothing on screen, not even an error. Okay. If showing error means post is successful. No error means you don't know. This is a post related issue. Okay. So this is one issue we discuss. What is this? It is a post failure. Post failure. Okay. What is the solution? It is generally check RAM connectivity and RAM connectivity test. Okay. And RAM working or not. Okay. So that is in generally. In generally, it is. It may also use postcards or motherboard on motherboard. Okay. On motherboard, BIOS LED status to know which component issue it is. Okay, is it CPU or DRAM or VGA or boot? Okay, okay. So this is one important issue, guys. I put it in a bold, so then it makes more important. Or maybe if you want in different color, I can put it in different colors. I'll make something in different color. So second issue is portable boot device not found or no portable device or no boot disk found. Operating system not found. Boot MGR missing. Actually, it is little bit different from our actual issue, boot MGR missing, but I'm adding into here only. It is in generally OS is in a disk or SSD. Okay. Check the hard disk or SSD working or not. Disk is not working. Restore. Replace hard disk key. This hard disk. Restore system image backup if available. Or, or install operating system. That's it. And another solution is hard disk is working, means OS related issue. Means OS is corrupted or portable files. Example, boot MGR corrupted. Okay. what to do if in case that one. Use repair this or installation this to boot the system and go to repair options. Troubleshoot. Advanced options. Startup. Repair. Or reset. This PC. Files option. Or reinstall. Or use restore system image backup if available. Guys, understand the issues and the solutions. This is one. This is I make it two at a boot time. Already I given few issues, right? Hmm. I think just people when we are telling an important also. So important this is. All are important. Every point is very important, guys. I'm not telling a stories also. Okay, all these 4 points are related to these 2 points also. ఏం అవసరం లేదు.
అయిపోయిందా
చిన్నది ఉంది
సెషన్ అయిపోయిందా
బ్రేక్ ఇస్తాను ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు. Yeah, just relax 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes.